Hi guys, I'm Take Best. This is ANS, the channel with a unique gossip. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Yes, because the day is bright, the day is bright, bright on fella fella. Oh, happy day. Oh, jollo jollo, mama jollo, friend. Musa. Used to remember that rhyme in primary school. Anyway, let me get down to business. Today I want to talk about this picture that it's everywhere on Facebook, this picture where a guy is proposing to his girlfriend and the girlfriend is kneeling down while the guy is standing. People are beginning to say, especially Nigerian guys, they are saying it's good. This is how it should be. A man is not supposed to kneel down for a woman. See, let me say it this way. It's their choice. Yes, that's just how they roll. It's their choice. What works in Mr. A's life won't work in Mr. B's life. Yes, it's just their choice. Now let me say this. The Bible said, "He who findeth a wife finds a good thing." It didn't say a woman who finds a husband finds a good thing. It's the man that's supposed to go look for the woman and marry the woman. It's the man that will say, "Will you marry me?" Yes, and not the other way around. All those guys saying this is how it should be, this is how it should be. It's ego that is killing you. Yes, ego. Like kill you so. We say, why will a man kneel down for a woman? Why won't a man kneel down for a woman? Don't you know kneeling down to ask for your woman's hand in marriage is placing respect on a woman? It's respect. It's also respect for you and your woman. Yes. Stop saying it's a borrowed culture, it's something, because people quickly go into borrow this. It is not a borrowed culture. Place respect on your woman. That is why you see when a lady gets pregnant out of wedlock, people start blaming her. They say, "Why are you so useless? Why can't you wait for the man to come and marry you legally?" Okay, now tell me, is that one legal? Me, I don't know. Like I've said before, it's just their life. It is how they roll. But for me, apparently, that thing will never work in my life. I reject that. Even in dream, it will not work. Because I have never seen where somebody is lending his pencil to a friend and he will kneel down and lend the pencil. You are asking for my hand in marriage and you expect me to kneel down to beg you. Am I begging you to marry me or what? Anyway, like I've said before, it's their choice. Now they know why they do it like that. It no concern me. But the one wey concern me is say no dey generalize am. All those guys when they generalize, all those ego principles when they generalize am, no generalize am. Okay? Leave it like that for them. It's their choice. It won't work for everybody. Place respect on your woman. Yes. You see all those guys saying, "Why will a man kneel down for a woman?" Who is a woman that a man will kneel down for? Who do you think you are? You are also a clay. You are not doing any woman a favor by marrying her. Yes. If you don't marry her, another person will marry her. Same thing, if she rejects you, another person will accept you. Nobody is doing anybody a favor. You think you can live with her, that's why you marry her. So place respect on her. Respect her. No, they do like this. You see all these kind of guys, they are the ones that will even go ahead and sleep with their wife's sister and will never apologize and say, "Why will my wife travel when she knows I'm here? Why will she be walking outside town?" Some guys are like that. I've seen them. I've heard stories. I've read stories on Facebook. Guys, men, they will sleep with their wife's niece, little niece. They will sleep with them and they will start blaming the woman. Even other guys with ego, their group, they will start blaming the woman. Why will the woman walk outside the husband's state? Why will a woman walk somewhere where the husband is somewhere? Shege, shame on you. They can't apologize because of ego. Yes, to me, if you just give me the ring, make I wear for your hand now. Shebi be say na you dey do me favor. Oh, you want to marry me? Give me the ring. Oh, let me put it on your hand. Yeah, let's do it like that. See, forget that thing, okay? Just forget it. Let it rest. Just let it rest. Everybody live life peacefully. Just let it rest, okay? It's their choice, and it won't work for everybody, and it will never work for me. I won't propose to a man, and I won't kneel down for a man to propose to me. Yes, because I value myself. You are not doing me a favor by marrying me. We are both favoring ourselves because it's partnership. Yes, it's partnership. Anyway, I will end this my apoko here because e be like say I dey hungry now. I dey hungry o. I dey chop like fowl. No concern you. I still remain to go best, and this is ANS signing out.